This video you will learn the drawing interface such as menus and tools of Procreator. Hey everyone, welcome to Procreate Basic Series 3 video. I am Harini and I make videos weekly on digital art, stickers, digital planning, tutorials and becoming creative digitally. In this video, I will introduce you to the basics and get you more comfortable with drawing on Procreate. During this video, I will guide you through the drawing interface of Procreator. We will take a look at the menus and tools that we are going to learn in today's video. As always, after watching the video, do the project homework so that way you can apply these techniques and method you learn immediately in your Procreate drawing. So far you have learned the app interface, the basic techniques and how to create a new document in Procreate. However, if you haven't watched the previous videos, you must watch them first so that you can follow up with me in today's video. So what you need to get you started is your iPad, Procreate app and stylus. So let's get started.
After you created a new document, you can see your working area. Here we will draw. Let's make an overview of the menus. We have 3 menus here, here and here. The first menu is the gallery button, which gets us back to the gallery. The wrench icon where we can see the main settings. The first menu has a set of insert options and options to copy or cut the artwork. The second tab is canvas setting. Here you can resize the canvas. Enable helpful tools for animation and drawing guide. And flip canvas by selecting flip canvas option. The third share tab is for exporting the final artwork using a specific file type such as JPEG, PNG, PDF. In the fourth video tab, we can enable a time-lapse feature to get a nice speed video of our creation process. It will record every single change made to canvas and share that speed lapse video with the world. Next is the preference tab that lets you change the app interface from black to white. If you are right-handed or left-handed, you can change the interface settings here. And there are some settings like gesture control, which we will explore later. The advanced information about the app is located under the last help button. Now click on the canvas to hide the menu. And let's move on to the adjustment menu, which is under the magic wand icon. Here we can use the color adjustments that we can apply to our artwork. The next one is the selection tool, which lets you select an area on the canvas to make edits to it. Click on it to get out of that menu. The last one is a really helpful transformation tool, which we will explore later when we sketch. Let's take a look at the second menu. Tap on the brush icon to see all the brush settings. This is a smudge tool that you can be used to soften the edges of objects. Erase tool to remove parts of an illustration. The layers are located here and the last one is for coloring. This panel is for working with brushes to adjust this handle to decrease or increase. The brush size, for example, this is a thick line. If we decrease the size, the line becomes thin. Let's decrease the size. The bottom handle is the brush opacity. After decreasing it, the line becomes more transparent. Decrease it more. And we can see that the line is really precise now. To undo the last action, click on the left arrow button. Tap on the right arrow button to redo the deleted action. Also, you can tap and drag the square icon to move the panel. This was a quick overview of the interface. Now, next video we will see on to how to set up new gestures.
So I hope you all enjoyed today's video again. I'll be answering any questions you have below, chatting with you all down in the comments. Please don't forget to like and subscribe below. It really helps me to shows that you are liking my new Procreate basic videos. With that said, time for your homework. Start your practice with what you see on the screen right now. Get familiar with the main menu, open each and explore. So I share a lot of free downloads on my website. If you want to get more downloads like the Procreate working file, brushes, color palette, check it out my site, and link mentioned in the below description as always. And I'm also super excited to create more videos for you. I will see you next time. Bye.